Towers, each with 50 floor. The new tower offers what you already know, single player mode, you fight your way through 50 floors. This is different though. Okay. This is not tower. This is not the same. This is not you fight your way through 50 floors. You do not. If you're good, if you're geared enough and you can run like a floor 50, you can run floor 50 right away and get every reward all the way up above. That's why this tower is the best tower, even though it's not tower, because you can skip all the floors and not waste your time. So yeah. So I guess like maybe this will release sometime soon, isn't it? So yeah. Okay, well let's check this one then. This website here is Sport Extra. Introduce roadmap, 2 new classes and more endgame by June. June? When is June? Right now is March. Ooh, doesn't that mean like they release like classes, one class then every 2 months? I never actually like think about it. It might go up later, Revo. Yeah. Let's see. New roadmap shows until what you can expect until June and which new classes you can look forward to. We add Mine MMO summarize. Okay, we can skip this one. It's whatever. Following OSU, new storyline centered around the first Guardian Slayer Kadan. That's this month even. So yeah, 2 new classes, PvP season. That's to be expected. New continent, most likely Southburn. New Abyss raid. That's Argos, which is this month. First 8 player Legion raid in normal and hard. So this is Valtan and Bekis then. So yeah, new Guardian raid for gear score 14-15. 14-15 is that's Garuda, and then 14-60 then. New Guardian raids. 1460 is Kungal, the turtle. New tower with 50 more floors. What? Isn't like the third tower is only 25th floor, right? 25, not 50. Wait, I thought maybe they're talking about Way of Power. Maybe they're talking about the Way of Power actually. Is it the correct tower or not here? I'm not sure. I don't trust this journalist. There is 2 different things. There is third tower, which is 25 floor. And then there is another thing called like Way of Power, which is like a 50 floor thing, but you can skip the floor. It's not tower, but it's similar. Huh. I don't know. Not sure if this is right or wrong. Yeah. There is a third tower. There is a third tower. Yes, in tier 3. So yeah, but it's I mean like you know how Cancer tier 2 tower is. Well, tier 3 is basically Cancer to the next level right there. You know, terminal Cancer. So yeah, the bridge, the Igaram bridge basically. New story content in March. What else happening in this month? This Lost Ark Media, Guardian Slayer Kadan, yeah, that's the one. New Islands of Isteri, that's where you met Kadan, and Bamboo Island. Someone asked earlier what Bamboo Island is. That's basically just another island. It's for Shandi. It's Shandi and Zinnervale's island. So yeah, so it's just like some story over there. Quest and cutscene to learn more about the Guardian themselves and the Sidereals, the Esters. We fought who fought the demons in the first Chain War. Argos in March, as cute as the slightly oversized moose looks. Yeah, we'll see how it wrecks everyone in NA. Heavy as fuck and hard to crack. 8 players. You shoo Argos through a total of 3 different phases, each of which promises rewards and requires new tactics from you. It is not yet officially known how high your gear score will be. In the current version, however, Argos will see you at least 370 before you can fight him. Yeah, we talked about this already, but yeah. Yep. Read closely how they titled Bikers. Oh, really? We'll see then. Rank PvP is coming. That's the rank PvP one. Play this solo and earn rewards by leveling up. You gotta like explain, man. It's solo queue basically. Solo queue. You're not soloing or anything. The higher your rank is at the end, the higher loot will be. While you can play normal PvP from level 27, the rank matches require you to have at least gear score 302. Do they? I actually don't remember. I don't remember. Even if the gear score no longer plays a role in the match. Lost Ark also emphasized at this point that the season will not start directly with March update. Only later in the month. However, an exact date is not yet known. Yeah, I guess we'll see on the date on this one, I guess. Wait, what? Oh, first new class. Okay. Brings the first new class to the MMO. Currently 7 more in number in Korea. So this number is rapidly being reduced. First up is Destroyer, specifically of the Warrior class. Destroyer carries class for him. Okay, so we get Destroyer basically. I don't know. Again, it's still a leak by the way. We don't know. Okay, we'll just like skip this one. Just skip this one. Just skip this one. Wait, is it just destroyer? Thought there is supposed to be two. Maybe it's down there. Maybe Sander means yeah. Apparently it's gonna be destroyer. I mean like new class by the way. But yeah, rapidly being introduced. It's super rapid, man. But yeah, I guess like it's one by one. So first new class in April. So April is when we'll get new class as expected. I wasn't expecting destroyer, but destroyer is like up on the list anyway. So yeah, let's see. First Legion raid in April. Volton. We'll get Volton on April. So yeah. In Legion raid, you also fight in with two groups, 8 players against the commander of Demon Legion. In this case, against Volton. Will be available in both normal and hard mode. Since these Legion raids are particularly demanding, there are always checkpoints within the raids. You can stop and continue another day. Whew. Back in the day, dude, there is no checkpoints, man. But yeah, people get checkpoint. Even Russia gets like no checkpoint, right? So yeah, at one point. Then we get checkpoints after in the middle. Volton bring new mechanic to the game and will really challenge those of you who arrived in tier 3. Arrive in tier 3, not even close though. Reworks commander. I don't think that was the case to be honest, but yeah. Descaluda. Is it actually still called Descaluda? It's also a new Guardian raid in the MMO. Green Bird of Death requires you to have gear score 14-15 so that you can fight him. Otherwise, it differs a little from what you know Guardian raids. This is the tutorial Guardian raid. This Guardian raid is like brain dead easy and has like 20 counter mechanic every second. So yeah, to prepare you to counter for Volton. Because if you don't counter in Volton, you die. So yeah. New continent comes to play if you don't want to know what this is like a Southburn. He should like say it earlier actually. Southburn will come out before Volton because you need to go through like the Southburn story first. Okay, Queen Eilin and Commander Ravel. That's the story. No spoilers by the way. New tower awaits you. Oh, okay. So they're talking about Reach then, Igaram Reach. They're talking about the Way of Power instead of the tier 3 tower. So yeah. Yeah, let's see here. Okay. 2 towers each with 50 floor. The new tower offers what you already know, single player mode. You fight your way through 50 floors. This is different though. Okay. This is not tower. This is not the same. This is not you fight your way through 50 floors. You do not. If you're good, if you're geared enough and you can run like a floor 50, you can run floor 50 right away and get every reward all the way up above. That's why this tower is the best tower, even though it's not tower, because you can skip all the floors and not waste your time. So yeah. But yeah, further you get, the harder the task become. You can enter Throne Spire is the name. Okay, with the gear score 1325. But again, 1325 will not let you clear floor 50. But yeah. Mechanic from Shade Spire and Fate Spire. This is not the same. Dude, you gotta understand, this is not the same thing. This is not tower. But yeah, that's just how it is right there. So yeah. The May update won't let hardworking raiders among you down with Kungal and Icy New Garden, which 1465? Huh? How? That's such a weird number, dude. 1465, by the way. No, it's 1460. It's 1460. So yeah, which is like if you're using like the Heart Oreha or Argos gear, that would be at a plus 18. It was plus 18, yeah. Plus 18, plus 18. So yeah. Turtle strong, yeah. Sorry, known, you can only contest this Guardian Raid for 4, complete twice a day, yeah. Another Legion Raid await you. This time is a Demon Prince. Princess, yeah. I guess it's a guy, boys. I guess it's a guy, you know. That's like Amazon way of censoring it. Instead of succubus, it's incubus right there. So yeah. Oh yeah, man. The Demon Prince, by the way. But yeah, is it even like princess? No, she's just like, I don't know. She's just a demon, man. Who you also have to oppose as A. They do have to live in several phases. 3 phases in this case instead of Volton's 2. You can always check the checkpoint to take a breather. Also coming straight to the west in normal and hard mode and will be challenged even for the boldest adventure out there. Sorceress is no longer alone, also coming the May. Okay, so first class is April, second class is May. Wait, what? Isn't that like between like 1 month within each other? Plus 18 on your gear, 20 on weapon. No, you can 18 on your gear as well. Also 18 on your weapon as well. So yeah, you will have a massive bulge instead. Yeah, a massive bulge instead. Yeah. But yeah, no lands. Yeah, seems like no lands. I guess it's Arcana, Arcanist, Turak. So yeah. Third specialization. I don't know. Again, this is a league. We don't know yet, Turak. So yeah. Sorcerer is no longer alone as a damage magician, the DPS magician. Even if it is that summon that was not chosen here, nevertheless, from May you can fall back to the card magician and dish out a lot of damage in the Arcanist. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like releasing on like April and then May two classes is a bit like sus, to be honest. Yeah, one of the harder classes in Lost Ark. While she has tremendous potential, she also relies heavily on luck. I don't think she relies that heavily on luck, but I don't know. I mean, like everyone says so, right? You know, surely they were correct. Not me though. When I play it, I feel like that's not the case. Adapt situation somehow is not easy. It requires a lot of skill. Yeah. So basically that then. What do you think of the roadmap? Okay, we can skip this. So basically, March will get like Argos and like a Kadan story, right? We get nothing else after that. And then April we might get Valtan, Deskeruda, and Destroyer. And then on May we'll get like Igaram Bridge, Biekis, and Arcana. So seems like that's just how it is right there. So yeah, could be real. I don't know. It still seems sus to me. So yeah. Now of course it can be like true, but I don't know, man. I mean like I'm gonna take this with a grain of salt, basically. Grain of salt, grain of salt. So I guess we'll just see how it is right there. The tower though kinda dang. This tower is good though. I like this tower. Well, this is not tower, right? Because tower is annoying. This is not tower because this is not annoying. Just go to floor 50, finish it, and then you're done. So yeah, I don't know. It doesn't. But basically, yeah, this that's the roadmap for like for this seems like. So yeah. Guess we will see. Guess we will see on whether it's true or not. We will wait until like they actually release an official announcement. In the meantime, though, I guess we'll have to wait then. Yep, full grain of salt, yeah. But what eye level you clear it? Well, I mean like you can skip it to rank. You don't have to go through 1 to 10 is the problem, right? You just have to go to like the highest that you can. That's the bridge, yes, man. That is the bridge, yeah. And it's expedition as well, yep. First got Lake Rock Mason on the forum about the roadmap. Say something about things might change. Well, yeah. I mean, like again, it's not like concrete yet, but I guess we'll find out probably soon. Then, if that is the case, we'll see it soon. Then. So yeah. The bridge is roster. The bridge is roster. Yeah. There is nothing that says anything about like honing chances. At least not in this one. So yeah, but then again, this guy also said that Kungul is 1465 and also like a way of power, Igaram Bridge is a tower, which is not the case at all. But you know, it is what it is. That's why you take it with a grain of salt. The journalist here probably doesn't really know what they're actually talking about. But you know, you can guesstimate if you already played the game in other version, because you would know what's actually coming. But yeah, that's the roadmap leak, boys. Take it with a grain of salt, and we'll wait until official announcement. So yeah. Alright. Seems pretty good right there. But we'll go back then. We'll go back.